sika na eniwa na be ma na enye na sede ana ana wo ba na no be ka se yare bia ka na ate wate nka ne ko ana first na wo do no ana so do na santi na amade ne kura ati akobi ni ade ana be ma no na ase wo ne be ma ye ketwa dodo ana se sia mo anwode ni nyina ase bi saa ana ode bo ani a na ate ko bi saa ti ya yo za de we kro de ba betete mi kwa za na no me guso mi busa na esna she say mama na dey we dey so nim say me kuta questions questions here kuta me kuta answers mama we nim say questions nyina me kuta answers enti enne mama Sarah ho hanom na enyo no nko a Dr. Edu Boating Endpoint Homeopathic Clinic what's in ati no ono so de eba nioma je say ayaresa efa mema ni mema ni ege drum ase da bi nyano na meka mema ni mashia ye ho anije ni ayi ewom wotimi hwe obi ani ma hu se da bi wo yi ati akofo ti ukumba ni nyi bas ma me ne de asem le mama nka bia enya de ameti ase eti ene doctor nso wa ha esna hye wa na me mpese ma me ne bedoso no matimi ahara ase ni ntino eno baba akope na mde ne bae so for mama Victoria Kisai watu kwan e ma sa bredi wo be hu no bia mu a eji se 2018 sa nso na me grofo akanya na najo apo nana bebia wo bia me chiao gifty me chiao papa omo baso nyina ya mi sweetheart love ya mi won shira wo Mary Ajololo ya mi won shira do fi ya mi won shira krofo omo baso iso de wa wonim say yempe ma teta emma omo gina mo na so every year oso ya mi won shira papa na ye twie ho ya agenyum kakra bi di atomu a se be ne be ma dwumadie no akoye tu hwe na se wukun da bono kasa papa na de ye be kan wasam no nyina ma me ye bo a wode be fa preaching mu doctor sika ho ene omo makwadre wa ware mu so ka omo nyina be ka bi ye twie ho aba ene me producers wo fi ha omo do so yi ankasa shine wono no chinchin fifidie ni fruma e ma me kama saa no adiza baba so obe hu yen wo Facebook a wono ena ebema watimi ehu yen kama ansana me headmistress da bia no wadi serious maame fua ene ehu na maame esi hu na ho se wadi serious wan kasa asa ga ide me wonda o na chidi ko problem ba sa wa na obeso da no papa he ni ma je se papa njoba ene ye kasa ebe yi opeja ni sase ezo beso che se da bi why di ye twe wan ba e ba bi din ko highly spiritual.
If you I mean, like you say.
Now, what's me trying on? It's not a fire. One of a doctor, man, the next one. And you know the other chance here and I'm managing home powers or Quasianity and I grew. I almost as a DNT I am a man at can't take off from. I am many Natiana as a Quasiabuna man when a boy might almost a baby. Yeniati, it's your grown a guana. And as I say, sounds on a shut and so the other twice was in low tempo. So I said, so there be no melo for the shit on any money at me up with ye. Somebody said the medical bone can you know, and topic I share once some aka a libido and my libido. I am a manipa the brain complain. He says, a man say a young 1 year. Ye trim Priana, I was very high. And your baby mice or watching a boyfriend, me another boy. Another girlfriend, oh my cry, Papa, you miss obey Miss Media, mammy. Now we're crying the enya, what if you will be say, Mamma, me go baby, gay you somebody, Mamma Christo. Now made me 1 question, yes, we yet. And any 1,000 years never obeyed a honor. I can go before a crabba. Where in an Indian idea 20 years say, I had Jane, ma a bassano, a yen tokabi. A yes, he can some take off form. A year, we can say irresponsibility on the side of men and now. And our baby or I know or how be honor. I am here to PIDB near the end and I say, I'm not in the nematum inside the Fred doctor. I do watching Endpoint Homeopathy Clinic. A doctor was done one day gonna have this idea because and then doctor. My dear boss, one of me have many months at the I try 5 years over my own sorry view and go for the America. And old grandma was share this about any more pen and the other machine was not the one got in here. Was the so it's another doctor Hanum near and my idea and I Crawford I can say they a bit complicated. If I say Eddie and I Ediba. Doctor Pacho Moquaba. Yeah, maybe I will call you. It was one bread. Was here no to Quancran after my baby. You went to my doors. That's why you might doors because I thought I'd be in a day between our bed 5 stations. We see, hey, Papa. Oh, no wonder send me now. Would you are going on? And how did I? Oh, Papa, yes, and the car here 47. And one that's on your baby park. What are your baby parking? Mamma Sarah, Madam Mwaba, and my dear, you know, better me soon. Now, if you feed dear, was winning and you may know if you're Marcus and Bonnie, Marcus and Bonnie, then we'll combine over my. Me pacho, made off with you, media, I was super sweet. One more, Masoya saying, CB men and women capsules. CB men and women capsules. Said you wouldn't even know where you were bar. Now when you say, oh, vagina itches say be a would gira baby intide. Once I was it's like a cow pan as when you discharges. When you very painful sex. Say be a running wish I would say. And what you ya. I hope you are the hot shoes, would you so we are not one year show near dear. The Pachokoto CB women capsules. A bed warm as I knew many in a Twitter. So now a bear man as only say war. Problem with your urine flow. Say be a wood so and manka and craft for furniture mobile. And I'm boy a show catita. When I must have just a wood so and Robert Moore and son. It's me a pea and I say, and I just a woody and wood break ye. If you so poor, I know why himself bearman a moo a year with young cassa. Would you so I would break? Would you so they want to be pie me and will be also as about 1 time for. So as we are, and not just said, as a so quarter drew. So now our burning sensation or bra war Johnson, and I was only discharges. What the other spam on elbow. The moon say, and then Sufite be through Bermemo, not AP, and that is also a problem. Also, what drew and CB men capsules. As Uncle of Wayne, as I was saying, as well as already and one year dry, yet the 80 brilliant. It's a quite be. I am queen. But from some of my quabba beam. Mamma, I'm just in flu, so I am rather normal one, or you are not a doctor, or the doctor, the alpha, the medical side of it. I didn't see a now. And perhaps you are very active, especially in bed. Any, you say, Yambutre. Let me take over. Take over. Take control and you do. I forward if you are not fair, Mamma, which I did at the end of the
Mamma me dance. Now, me try a tear for the actual phone now. The dog was so, or my shy are the pum sabri. Mammy, the woman say, Pnatrimono, a young na and near our indifference cacrabum. Because in Pnatrimono himself will yard you are worry. Na to the beer your worry, and your market in Kitty be see more, young man, your fool say, ye you so na a boy. Near woman say, who couldn't bet me a yo baby? A bet me a yo ya. Who expect to send car, who couldn't afford a catch house say. As mercy, near me, yeah, sorry. Into ya can't sorry no, or ya only womb, or yes, also so more classic catch per bitina, and ya dear bay, who person who say, Yanni be quay. It's a pain a woman or young. It should have been so would you be woken and change on farm. If you want to crown in the poor baby, were poor and mutia, and near my baby, shema baby moi. On him says, say, Nukunum, only baby acco. Into no full says or the flower, not as what the correct Nukunu. Into no baby wa. I done you couldn't be sheer Benny, the pie and that. Bearman Jin would say yes, near me, and I am a Into Yanni Castle, me are sorry forget me. On Yanni Casseria. Oh, never. Else I don't know Bearman, I can say it to me. Oh, yeah, sure. Pa, because but Miss Wasamba, okay, says I be paying woman, Grana Bearman so more. So one of my why you work with remove. As long as still not able to yet the Nigeria because Nippon me no share mon contribution. So do a montemo pa no kuna ya wadia ya wo ya. And ya job boy ya pretender or say ya na sure neko. But on ya pretender pa na samna ya ni ya. On penny say ya kama. It's mammy musa we Mr. Question. To say be a one ya pretender was all ya pretender. That's all ya the idea remove ye a waff for kakra. Ayo de kakra we pretend that they know to who you were here. A bear or done a bear. Mammy out for. I'm a doctor, so nothing. Doctor! That was another one you have. And then, who fear dear, who are hospital dear, your baby and none in our combined. Look, I am sure. I had any puppy or mocha. Say, me die. Yeah, no, me. A dear and Cassandra Tilly be a buffer. I feel we are not questions. And you be good.
Medas, you bet you a tea for the MC program. I'm say, Aji baby, I may ban him say, I'm the last week before we took one. We take a yeah, we take a catch fire. I just get off. Mammy, power. Yo, I did no, yeah, na medically in the Becca say your psychological problems.
Okay.
And you will be a Becca say medical problems. And psychological problems, and on Yamami, a bobo should be. See, be a pain, and I say depression, and I say will be on Pukrano stress. Be a
depression only. That commercial that I'm about to tell you, they have a depression, Ghana, depression. Ghana will be a very depression. Yeah, African women especially, yeah, depression.
It will depress.
Oh, yeah, sure.
Yeah,
because open your depressed. Why you repressed? Why you oppressed? Then you know what person one day with you. Abroad will be moms on my depression.
It's no, fancy or bawale. Said the music can you be a bawale. On that time, our learning my, I walk around and color in me. That's the psychological aspect. I won him. I feel about to be here in Sadia and Coraho and who see is it here. Ube breastfeed Yakora, Ube Kariakora, Ube we. Sana we are you be as a bucna piane. Sana be a Juma cry, necessary fear Juma and Necra be so bad cram, fancy beer. Wow, no crown, so sweet cross on so or Sakusku crown, so as I can or send me the cannon. And they be crowns were. It's not look me say, it was said to because I quite man. It will be fear no. Already nice, or brain. It is fatigue setting in. Said the mammy Susakayano. I said, you know, I've been. So, bar home best or bar Benyatinka, and I bema Benyatinka. You know, I've been. A hormone, any securities are there. It is a bit or bar a sick a far. And you be Biaka, a be a one, I say, a four. A be been 19 or baby bit Makoti, be more big mamma, say, a crano. And now a man I say M for so and no bit me be there if say that's psychological factors.
Doesn't mean say so that is a young women and as almost worry single girls now. Only how be answered the enemy stress stress related problems be no anytime you almost afford more than
yes,
and more penny for us. What's when you do one? I question you when I mean, so how much anyhow because psychological, there be a phone
because there be almost when you Sebema, on Obesia, Nassib, Obano, it means well lubricated, and I say, Nassifra.
A friend said, Nassay wet. I am wet, and no sano a bois. And my unya excitement because okay medically no I did remember atenka be ma benya atenka and I say be be ma den ho be hye oba ho a be ma no ho ai dey be ma obetuma nya orgasm and obetuma ma no ho aba the betuma ma ho aba no ejina sa friction no now where friction takes place bia no I said here oti ho na say be do on sa fefa on heat equity but where wet and I say baby are lubricated no you know a very sensitive and a camera sad and say orgasm no eba into so ba well lubricated out first of all be man no unya tinka say obey opeme one thing because say so only oba ehia na ana yes na wa say
aha
so boy no can na no why
dear send dear well and then modern men no they wouldn't see that say bia what say bia oba be ma so oba so because the reason ya be ma also so mu nyina na say oba ma say ho be dey ho betimi oba wet ho be for obetimi nya na way enti no say ode hu di agro na office wa play ni part ni nyina all sensitive areas ni nyina we dey agro na say bi ho nsole a adwen mienu ene ya na eba me matrim
saying
ida say oba ompemi ana ana me honkra no enye na kono so e ya de e wo
na ba to mamuza third one muza say me so ni mu yesu ni
eno so kra so ya de a eno so kra so e ma wo so no o self confidence na so fi say chese wo nyema de ni chese wo nso ni e ma de ni ana these are three things at the beginning of the relationship na de wo say be ma kra no that time no say me ma e wadaje e ma mambo enti eno kro obetimi kra ye dey akodu da extent no abusa wo say adenti na say bi me do me so mu ani ye a say bi onye lubricated ene ho kono ba but of course awale eba mu a obi a feel more secured security is there because about you
are relaxing
be man relaxing oba so relaxing enti wo hwe kra no a in relationship kura no before our labor take place no ebia oba sra be ma bia be ma efi enya ya ko no beda
so ko sra wa
me fan say se bia mo ntimom anytime bia wo be ma no ida so ba ko sra oba no ana oba no be sra obia no unya ya nka obetime oni oba no be hia because that time no we need security bia your major security ebia wo sika bia wo ana say na wo ne da ede ene ne usai security no but as and when na wo hunu say oba na be ye wo dia wie no after all nipa no wo dia
oni ba bia ko
oni ba bia
ade nyina ye wo dia eza na eza wo da machuro li ana no za ko tuso
ne no kra mo ze romance no kra so kra mo ze enko yi za die se the first the
brother ye hwe na ma bebre ka say time ma mi ra na mi hia no na mi ku ni mi hia aya na me tinka obu hon mo be ka say beginning no asa ye me de but me hu ana ye se pain bi ade na ye de sa pain ni ba
yo eno na medical aspect no ebem the medical aspect no oba bia no say sex and no it should be enjoyed it shouldn't be endured eni kwa say o say enigye
say manage
edi enigye na eba what you say because eno no ecstasy you know hormones so ne sa no ma no be do offense oxytocin oxytocin eno no ye hormone bia eboa eni nti no say bi sa hormone no sa woni e release a e de enigye na say bi e eba eni nti na say wo hwe the import wo betima hwe the importance of sex pra no a e wo e ho sunsun so bebiri nti sex e ye no enya for the fun of it
cheche me e de sunsun so e bi ne de
a lot e bi first of all
me pa mo cho muntie ni ye mana mo de mo kan mu ku no this Christmas de obi ama ni fie nya de osofo tena fie asofo me ma ni titru mo tena fie na mo yire no enti me enjoy ho doctor ani ma me sa de nukura ni asofo me brede mo kan me mo doctor how so fa ho kan mo doctor nya bote da wo je so fa doctor me sa how so fa ho kan me wo mo ti bi cheche de obo ha kasa say ya so ni yire nya bi wan ye no nya ba ko doctor efie nya bi efie o nya bi efie o guzo ye mi ya ba jere number ma find out ti ba cho wo bia bro nya we di ehwe bo nya hwe ya ni granya yi nya hwe ya ni granya yi nya hwe ya ni granya yi o ti munya yi na yi nya yi so te na doctor ba chere se de be awo yare a no wa clear ni nyina free ho no na afi yetimi akoye ni doctor bo anya kakra ye pese ehwe the reason ti a se obi ni obi hia na sa bre na ma bebre timi complain sa ni kunu ne da as a beginner as a end de kakra bi preocupa na da ni pain o ti pain pam as se papa di jai e papa ne be ma na amacho ana sa e dia
David the only person say e ye no ma mienu obi o kra no a beginning no de obema na ni bi hia no akwa no o ti yaw and obi o so ase do sika ye no during the act of love making no so ti yaw e no no mu no de this had ne ba no bibu e be kan say PID pelvic inflammatory diseases ya wona mu yare wa bebere wo ho in fact oba bit manya namu yare wa na issue gonorrhea syphilis chlamydia obit manya sa ya di we nyina no na issue in fact bema enya gonorrhea within a matter of 2 to 7 days
na sure
e be sure it is a bema no so wan kan kire in fact say endpoint na ya na bebere ba mema ne beba no we ba no ye married onya sa ya de no ono kwa no kwa de ho no kwa de we don't but the own person say ya na question me bisa ne say ade na won fa wo yire emmebi
say jina say ne yire ye ba ko
onfa ne yire enyima e na oba no so kra no be kire oni ne kasa baka say oba no say onya anything bia but oba no be ba no say o timi trial force no timi de ne yire ne be ba o be ba no oba no e bi infection ne bi wo no but show Babema, a bit many infection was an Bema Mushi no penny sensation, ne, Muyao, ne, be a rash at good Beman home, and issue if you or buy a bit many infection, not in shows idea. No more the Bemesia during that time or tea. You'll be busy why I can say ovarian cyst.
Okay.
Ovarian cyst. Say you will say polycystic ovarian syndrome and answer bilateral. Ovarian cyst, no. Yes, and no, I mean, tree. But a accumulation of me find the body a accumulation of fluid e wo ovaries no ho nkosuya wo se oba etunkosuya enti wo se nkosuya no bu ha etwetwa ho bebre obu wo so ba akopɛ e netwa kosuya no ho oba bia onya ovarian cyst bia no in fact wo de wo ho kɔ no ho a obekekam and found one sakura de beya, Benia.
Sa.
That's right. The on sakura de Benia.
As a coca pompono.
Aha. Unyasa, you know, it was an ayasi. A day, a ya, or tea, a yas, yaw, and then I bought a blue and a buffalo. To walk out time and the messes may be drew no. Time the messes at time or so, and so the messes and Emma. So, and no boss of Bassas or the tint shoe, and the buffalo no, what you have because on him, as also was some best one and the messes and I day, not Abba.
Anybody won't buy it, say, was over your money, and
brave is so many miscarriages. All right, with brave, he said, oh. To be back about hospital.
It's a symptom of
ovarian syndrome. Yes, ovarian system. And no about Baswa. It means money in your side. And I say, be ever be a fibroid. Depending on where the fibroid is located. Fibroid, there are 4 types of fibroid. It depends on where it is located. And a little bit more bar.
Doctor, he found a die. We are safe. He found a die.
The fibroid, they be any safe.
Oh, sir. They will hide that baby. I'm going to say, baby, or baby. Yes. If it done at that, Bama in the camera, I'm feeling for I don't know pains. Obi one at the end than service and no. Nemo Monon say, Obi was be during the art of making love, depending on the sexual position. It means opinion or ban up. But on the program, I said, and me sexual position saying, Sabia style, it's even or that. I didn't mean one part, you say, yeah, and I would die to the mammy about me as our program scene. But when you men, maybe are complaining. That's right. I can't answer when mammy running me, Shana, Masia, and they as a doctor, I'm not treachery. That's right. Yeah, the area father said, Mamma, one more time, there be any of 20 years, I know Pidana didn't run up with. Yeah. It's a doctor again, it is a new my why I won't know also. Doctor, yes, you find BB to say, you find a doggy. Doggy star. It opens your banner up. So, into no sano, and baby, no, and maybe to me, I'm an eye day, a become a service, no, I know I day, a bee. First time I understand. Yeah, set and no idea no. It's a kind of sano, was a baby, no, be or granoa, doing the art of making love no grano. Apart from pain, no grano, with me, muja. Eat me a day. Eat me, aha. Muja crass or crano, eat me free, and I say, a day, eat me a day, ever. So, and I say, you can't infections or so no, and as will be one pocrano, hormones or no, the hormones or no crowds or imbalance, and also crash with me this idea. Because what I say is estrogen levels are so a drop here, and also it's mima or sexual edge and so forth. That's right, and also cry. And no, sir, me for the Sabia say, hormones there. I don't know, natural, you'll be a at the end, we bet me a money hormonal level. You may say, answer a dear first of all, I dear back where my hormones a conform can see. Age, and I say age. Who near a conform, naturally. Men mark a conform. Anything about me be a young boy who produce 2 main hormones. You will have testosterone and estrogen. Testosterone, no, sir, very high. Not estrogen, very low. Now, a low, sir, no. And then my man no bones so money musua and be 18, 20 years, you know, a very so a nippany and normal, a very strong. It would least you know, both another bema, see a picture. So, no boys here, not a picture. I think very Nemo moon, you know, not testosterone, not air perform, not estrogen, no air rising. And now it's me at the office. Yeah, well, yes, my baby, I say, hey, welcome many months. As I pay a day for a day to say, be I will get guy on or one that some upon him, of course, no for the welcome many months. Well, good, now I am what again? There's an age now, so do on that's rather his dodgy won't go high. And at the that's not drop it over. So, it's no so because when you erection, no crown one said you can be rigid and not you can target. Said you can bed in day, so both of who had the pijamas so nice in the trousers. And as you walk around, I said, be Cabeman, who are the pano, said because the number of shop bars in Puno. One saw Beman in Mukrana and white to me fear one.
so mo enu ni se obu a se
ele fa na ajo abo mi e fa na ajo na abo mi
alo asa da wa he
ajo abo e no go esi ese gum so e ta ki gum za e no go ni na je so obu pa na go gba mo Branya ndi ehwe osofo ejuma mpani papa oda we wa oni mo problem oni mo ha men se da anya so ma me ebo asemo ogan na won sire ane fa ha fa nko tie ni yie na se ewie ne se doctor na akwa hwe no no etimi abo awo ka gubu amene ajo abo amene ya doso e de bo ame to yire bufu pe sa night no nya ba bi ehura ene some the doctor chire bi wa ha pa ne ye hwe de emma de nti amma ye nnemu no aya na atiko na akofo no doctor kan de no mo bi ya be fele se ni man so ya na different kaka mama mra oso o fele se be man so nisi ka se mu nko yie won sheda anye ayi a o sheda anye responsible wo ye bibia wo moa won keka ne ho bi ni ade a o beja ne be me ya na aboafu ana
mami me that's responsibility kan ho. And secondly, so na doctor kasana meti. Ye ma bebre yentimi ne ekunu mu communicate won na. E ya problem ba ko obehia ma 20. Yes ye no ye bi. Na te se ne doctor kase e ya ade ankese se ye de gi eni no. Se ni jeni enuanu ma bebre. Obu anya hwe ne won ho. Onye bi. Because baby papa ni nim so ade fa no. Enkoye mo ba no. Nanso communication ni nim inti ye na sore ko etere bi obebu anibu afunu kro ntimi ne nya no wani je so because onim senka de aye kwakoye nka se si ehia ne mu aka se me hu sane me na me ne je emema bebre ye wi a no asore inti ne yire no ani je pe se so
da bi ka ye wi ko sa na so sa anya
ba me se so twam na me so me pie bra e ba abonti ni bi
se ono ne hu sane na
ono sane na no asore inti obi wo ho a wo frɛ no nemu kura na ofo sa ba e wa man show nani nye ho
3 minutes
yes
and say Ghana for the ajo mo
we say obi wo ho a e bia no kunu nete wa kwa adwuma ba wa bre no wa prepare no wa bosi film so no be kura fa so bi ama so enye sa emfa so se de awo na bibi but eni che se oba ni nya wo mu no be ma ni time
ba sa anya botra ya nkrofo bebre ka se be ma ko 2 minutes or 3 minutes ni ade ya na e hadwo wo ye wafo wo fele se hadwo na doctor me ba ho ni ahwe se be ma nipa doctor be se me ka se ko ye press up 5 minutes with my press up enye ho press up line na me ka se ye normal press up 5 minutes doctor with my Adisa baba ko the hand na yesu ye chow but press up 5 minutes obi kan ma me 5 minutes press up 2 hours ne so be for year na fe ya he dey ma be say be ma ye na 3 minutes na 2 shots ni ade be say me pe the ideal time on
ma me woni time ni hu hia ba me feel say ahyase no agro di ni hia woni me di agro ye no mani tia
abotre boa me agro di no what dey na what time na agro di e dey na wo pe the foreplay no what to you no dey na enteli say won kese say won so mu say on quiet this thing dey say aga na fanya to many answer on mu ye wonya doctor no so who subscribe to that when you home doctor ayebi what's the for wonya na and now how
no one say
agro dey na ya na
yes obebia wo bebia na tinka wo wo betimi akoba bia enye ho na matinka wo into communication na make can say me kunu nim say me the far right ho na me yira tinka wa ene asa no na boa me mami ye di nkomo
yeah mo komo yeah o bo pa
ye di nkomo we radio so
yeah na me busan e de peta me wo bi obehu bia no nim say
that way ye secret e dem secret
yeah okay
inti ukunu nim sa ha na ye wani je ho inti o de fawa sani etibia be contribute asoba ebe matem ya nu ukunu ko hia na eye wo de na doctor kan bibi wọ́n sì yẹ wari wia ni a relaxing but all kwan na serious no o wari wia sister wọ́n yẹ secured
rather
yes because it's a so play part me ma me afantini bi na ka chem say obini kun boss darling wait benz was wala tia the darling kwasho yem besi uru yem ba only room no only room it's that time no esesenka oba wutimi enjoy marriage me maame bi kunu ka se meniti oso ne ne yiri hia na wi a o make sure se maame no ho asane no ama na ni age
ya dey say me e wo baby a
maame nya ni
baby e wo m
enye ni nyina
baby and this e wo m NPP wo
just enye tempia na mbema ni be pay attention to our feelings of so ono asori agina so nti chia ho no onye wo ye wia na wa pie ko
enti enu nti na ya mamma ni before
say be Felicia
o ma won start kwa
me ma won start because me kunu ma me nyi e bia sebe mebu om no na mfo di nkomo o ma ware mu nsam nkomo ko deep ni na don Africa so me na me ni ji age but ono no oni ni di nkomo no onya se ni je ni bi iti anu bisa se e say neti because onya sa ebi anya yare obi wa naturally no ni kunu respond nti oba no o ya ofu certain bia papa na ese de ni je obi wo ho nya dry wa e wet but still onya
doctor yan hwe ya ka se oba ho asane no wo na wo ye doctor obetimi a kire mu de a kire obi ya ka se obi ho asane no obi aduru ne climax obi etimi a discharge as oba because they can truly no a strain to several women obi say me experience bi that the minimum say be konimi hia I am there but Sadia no more can I assume who is sunny on whom be that.
No, medically, like I say, the peak of ecstasy. The peak of ecstasy. Say be a canon because say be so we do that stage, you know, both say body na side day. We do that stage, you know, when you're starting canon, body is about the normal form.
You know, any
yes, or do any year. I just say, and no one say. In fact, it do also not mammy can be home. Said ye a memma who have beer or ne or bano any day and yet and another time in a home corner. Well, timing no, it be dependent. Say timing in particular no ain't said that ain't yet so much important.
Really?
Yes, in
by the time in each remove. Obi say, Bema 2 minutes, don't find you, 3 minutes, don't find you, 5 minutes. Oh, because 5 minutes me here. Be 30 minutes, 1 hour. To who baby so as me call 1 hour. Obi was a 45 or man cry 45 minutes. You perceive? Is it real? Say nipa is it a thrusting time or not? Nipa no thrusting out, entering and coming out, you know. A honeymoon for 10 minutes. It's our timing 45 minutes and I said the whole show.
Me feel says will be 1 hour and 45 minutes. No, can't the whole show. Because love making answer is in 4 is in our 4 stages.
Okay. Why I don't need the end.
Your first stage you can say I say preparation stage and I say aesthetic stage. And no your stage here say oh can asama to obana game also saw by any musa de ma make maybe an sensitive area would it diagon on that is that stage.
Just a midi boom.
And then said, no one starting. Ebia Mokisi, Ebia Odo Obano, would like mood
diagon can be doctor, yeah, and then the other customer.
You know, Modim who did diagrono. So, you're the stage of Modim who diagrono. And I know the preparation stage, you know. So, more prepare adrenaline. And to once a bit to that stage, you know, now we're moving to be a reference at plateau stage. Plateau.
So high.
Plateau stage, you know. Most at that stage, you know, most of what I know about your banana, you're wet. Now I are lubricated. Now, bones will be a event said labia majora. To say, Sibi, na seno, ne fan and ne fancy, no. Bones are not a tender. I don't know. And I just don't who's Yandy. Like a who's Yandy, Dr. Lavia, majora. That was so. Now, was an intention or was a no crown, not yet tender, not yet a sicacra. You do that stage in the Soprano, was a Mabby no, and Macrano, baby any more. Okay. And man's that's a muddy or they don't know themselves. And the mamma crown baby don't pay attention to those things. You do that stage in a people have a clitoris. So, the clitoris, the bano. Both and not a money muscacra. And also, Bem said the Bema will be my Pepe. Yes. You do that stage now. Wouldn't say the audience here. Say, especially a man omo de omo clitoris no eye protruding no Ose maybe wa the clitoris no se bi
protruding say me show you yan zebra for so
yeah so
can you know
we say
the pie ba no the say inside the nice police no where pure dey na better on can dey no I don't know just so change my say
we keep cause it be
car rock na ni na is say former president na ni bi apocha the pie ba bon
that's right
kasa gumu yan
enti no e do that also ba bi ho a ono na de no natural na de ne ye eso so it is how ba no so ba na sekura say na hu say etua ho the clitoris na etua ho aha it omo de no e do that stage na bom say enu na mani mu so mo e na obi suka ne de kete na kura e do that stage na enye the same size bi
so ye kese
say
nsuo wo moja
rashi kom
it is say the be ma de
yes say the spongy tissues no sa pepe na wo so de no e ma so de no so no e rashi kom it was I do that stage na both and the clitoris no na aye bigger than what it was before
okay
and yan both do that stage no so a plateau stage no ano most oba na ho me asa say e kosoro
okay
both say
and so obe wu no
aha you do that stage na say ka wu check the pressure and I say temperature na both say enye the same thing be
okay
so enye unya the same reading no that stage no and e dru a e say oba na ready say why you prepared say also ultimate for trusting
okay
also ultimate on ekwa memma sometimes we jump all these stages who jump all these stages now and no na uko do that stage now obeba betimi akobe 5 minutes or 10 minutes oba no wante hwe because that time no a wo ho asane wo no afa na wo no adu plateau stage no afa na wo no adu that stage no a na siafo anka ohia say ohia more na that time no ho aba ho aba ntina bia se wankoye onye obi a we strong so a wantimi ansa anye dey ansa antene abobiem ansa anko the second round and just I could do that stage na bo so oba no na wa kan sinsin and san e do and sana it is a wo call that stage you know wo call preparation stage ni very well and na wo call plateau stage you know stage you know orgasm stage you know mami obi wo how the boss wa na no ho asana no na emma bebere kura no during the preparation stage and then plateau stage no bebere no akwa timinya orgasm obi timinya orgasm no be mienu miensa
se binya multiple orgasm
emma eye possible so oba betimanya orgasm se be ma no working on her very well betimanya orgasm be 3 to be 5 times within one love making
abaya on ware da na say
di wale dan ni nyina wo working on
her very well school fees asem na mi buso asem be aba mo school fees the fear etu no
etima gengen ko etima nipa se be stress da wo so etima because se woni oba no ehia yi na se oba no ho sane no maame you will feel stress bema ni will feel say ne ba school fees kra ya pamo no obeda
bema de ne will feel that answer no obeda ho na oba de
oba so kra so utimi work on her very well yes
but I am here na nipa be complain say a man it is almost say and mema na be dey say 2 minutes na dey what am say the time factor no as I say nipa no last dey na ye normal say bema ba normal obi ba less than that enko ye na yire bufu no aka say no so nti kura no me ma kura start no abeye say so my mommy we can say no show 2 minutes gidi crazy
and man can say e complicated
and man can say thank you say me me dey et o ma say yeah me no me do hem me et o ma say
and man complicated and man the obaby o ha the ye normal for that person no ono no enye normal for wo enye normal for another lady
all right
Emma comes in different forms the obema oba ni age oba we ni beje no enye the same thing obema sa oba baako eso so ayde eno so ayde eni age enti wo bema no enti na wo no yakasa wo ye bema no wo de ne say oba no a wo ne na ekọ out no emfa ne say ye ni general time bi e da ho aka ne say bi a 20 minutes and 10 minutes also no oba the Asia name mti na meka say ni nyina ni stage ya do oba ne be go through no nko ne ba no wo do oba ne go through all those stages na sa oba no ehia ma sa time say ye say the universal time bi e da ho say 10 minutes and also no oba Asia name no be ma also wutimi e dai etimi gina wona so so say oba no arechi orgasm asa na wo e dai and I say either say oba no be reach orgasm asana wo de aba ana say wo betimi atime say mu nyina mo de be de ebeba abomu
gina ha mami sa question ne de ho hia pa wo bia pen me sure say wo bia obema bia oti bia oba 2 minutes ne 1 minute bia ne pa ne se so fu kan ne papa no na se be ye ha menya wo do ho kan wo yire hu sade ne yo de hu yo de obeda no atime avoid dia hu ko bantam na ja ko ye no show.
That's right. The okay is first of all no oba open bia no se bi oni infection bia na se onya bia no oba no odo ho ka no a obenya atenka
only infection. Oh, sir. The only infection part of our being. And I mentioned, and also, your baby and who be so much. Yeah, it does. Really?
Yes, it does.
Obisa, so, yeah. Na wo ho na yira yes o ko hade na dia be se so ko yira eno no ho fault e be ma na ne dia na ye slim dodo ana so ban dia na ne dia big dodo
en pemebiri no ano ya na e be gina ma no so because the woman say oba no ansa no oba se na ansa elasticity e it's elastic so elastic wo hui no se bi wo betuma twon
e ma yi
ayi
betuma kanjo
na yi enti no se bi oba no oba bia se ne yakopon si abo be ma no se be ma no normal and the be ma no e normal so nya no ayo abnormal size wo ho amfa se bia ndia na yade se nya yade bi na aka no ma ne normal na die ne enye normal what is going to happen is say ono oba hia or say no matter said the be ma ne size ni siti bia no or say oba no e dey etimi na se no etimi dey eka eyin etwo yes
ayo oba ni mu Sasain,
yes, also member size and answer. You can't get it saying at the same time. So Obasino in natural sense, no, say any infection at all. And I say, but Nana be a baby.
As I think you now see, I'm quite I'm a country for one.
The only say, Oba, and I'm just say it's elastic. Or bia or ni bema be me bi oni ni hia ye no se bi ne bema said sana apache ne bema no se di etie no na keso so but by virtue say oni bema no eni ho bie mu no eni ye no naturally no esa go back to the normal.
All right.
Enti na oba se bi na se etimi se de ka obi obisa se e kwan be na oba se se de sitie etimi baby akwara gba de tipa odimi se mafia head etimi free
yes, the vagina is a self-cleansing which can take as small as a pen.
Yes,
a pen a bit me at
the
same time baby in suit
sanity.
But I think any no night say so okay girl.
Also ban yes enti no so ban no say nye infections na mpebebiri no enti mama say enye sa illusion to elasticity and na say bi oba say bi at a point no bia woni mema bia be mienu miensa enan dey na say bi onye treatment bia onye medical treatment bia no empemebiri no bon say no wa lose sa elasticity no so ho en no empemebiri no ano entimi massa friction no entimi nye the entimi take place.
Doctor somebody obi say I swear the guy in orange is feeling the show. I don't know who's the Jamapeja. I don't know how they won't be here. Hey, quite a proud you, Alex. I was Cynthia was saying, that's very educative. Well done, sweetheart. Yes, that's about Papa. Cynthia, do not so kind. Joyce, Sheila can come. I see Joyce, I see you. I don't know. Obi abebo mi DP. Juliana, fun while I say yes, so thank you, doctor. And the person will be chatting. What can I say, mama? Who goes to the hand? What happened to Papa? Joyce Higan also said, nice talk. Mami Yada Kwan was a great topic. Thank you all. So the answer that I say. Japan Albert or say, good topic. My girl enjoy her feeling on the first 10 minutes, but after that, pain, and she will be crying a lot before I have mine. Or say, oh no, the girlfriend, first 10 minutes, and the girl, she will have her feel. Now, where we are, no, none of you pain. and so that is again no
problem. Yeah, the own person say Sobano enya say anywhere. Also putting into the also suddenly for the same cycle no. Also misa for the same cycle ni. As be ma ho asane. Ho sane na oba ne pese wo side dey esa peja bi mu. The order from beginning, also say also taking the through the we say, oh, mommy, I can't help laughing on your comments. Lucian son on also the and no about Lucia that's but we say a very educative topic, sweetheart here that say. Doctor, preach. Augustine Clement or say, Doctor, preach it, doctor. And then the doctor can you say, the doctor once or two minutes by how many minutes? But I'm not finding two doctor. Doctor, now can't go for any other. Doctor, also did not have any minutes. Doctor, Facebook for you, we did not have any minutes. We have 7 minutes, 3 minutes, another day. We are going to doctor there 1.5 minutes. To boy. Oh, to kwasa. Obviously, doctor, you know the points. Pa. Rita Mwakuna diabam. Rita so he said what me describe is the lavia, the vagina, who's the cray. Papa no had the na ya the na war. Hey, and they draw the army for space. I was just nice program, mommy. Sweetheart, yes, that's a papa, Ernest Komla, I end of Dubai. I was a Vivian said, "Where champion?" Said, "Mommy, I'm enjoying it." Pa. Stevie Opoko was a good evening. Watching from Bekwai, sweetheart, yes, that's a papa. Togbi Kojo, and also said, "Nice one. I'm soaking the program." Pa. Yeah, Yabua as si kesu. I say, okay. And say, no, so point, you know. I would have been born, was a labia then. Majora. Hey, this time they go for Papa. But you see, the labia. Yeah, we need to know our partners. We need to know any part, one know. But I don't him. Another time, I'm more about church and man so dear. Now the only dean is over. Don't so sorry. Yes, you have trans. Yes, because the only labia, I don't go for Papa. It's a very educated unison. I said, Doctor, I salute you. You are too much. And the person says, you are too December. We said, Doctor, thank you so much for the answers. I will try you. Business or bet try. In Japan, I'll bet. Juliana will say, I'm loving your program. Moses Lamptey from Kokobiti, watching you in my Uber. Okay? What do you inquire, Juma? Actually, Uber. Now they're for Uber. I was Vagina Labiano. Now I've got 2 boss. Watching you from UK. As a very educative. Obi said, Doctor, we want to hear how many minutes, please. Doctor, Obi said, how many minutes in a year? Are you all right? Send it kumba. Time, who say, what try? Yes, and I mean, say, is it 3 minutes? Is it 2 minutes? Is it 5 minutes? Should it be 15 minutes? I'm not, or y'all can, and yet, the whole process, no. Walk on trusting, no. The trusting, the trusting time. Oh, quite depending on what I say. Yeah, medically, no. Mammy, medically, no. In need time, baby, I say, this is a time one. Or said, Bema. Etimi day agina etimi a trusty and sana or banner my minimum the own casting in an say dear say went to me a more banner and rich orgasm Nasa wo bema no ho sanija obano your friend say be a premature ejaculation that is a ejaculation no I am premature I said when you makola na akola na wonye mo no we no 9 months no pon. And that what on the other side different. Sorry. We know I said when you 7 months. Okay, yeah, and then I'm busa earlier. We put hand ho ya ne de. Bema bi wo a wo hwe no motom keke kra na ho timi zani. That's right, yeah. Wo do sakana na ho asan. Because I me de. Sani pa na be ne den. The way to make na so ache kaka. Be kan obi o ye highly sensitive. The body netisa. E de na obe ye na be timi. The only question say ne den na also wunya say problem bia wunyale ya on the mama obi wo ha no kresa hospitals no bebri bones obema ebetimi aba anase obi timi na nikunu ba omo ba de omo betimi aka nyina na say e bia oni nikunu kra no during the art almost 4 play time no both of them are on the eye asane
doctor woni menensem na ya me dedo do so de agina so na me ko fa commercial break na ye ba na fi bia to so na crofo so bia na de me pesa ka man na kasa pa as we me be dia to me ni ase ya ba sisia so
2017 has come to an end, but the new wave is just beginning. Starting at Achimota Mall on Friday, 29 December at 7 p.m. Links Entertainment presents The Wave Concert with Kitty, Miss V, and Kwame Eugene. The Wave Concert. And is supported by Efia, Adina, VIP, King Promise, Tiny, Edem, Yapono, Kelsong, Akwaba, Magnum, Kojo Q, Sheka, Belinuna, B for Bona, Opanka, Sina Soul, CJ Biggerman, Peter Ryan, Dope Nation, and Nanaya. Music by Patch B Band and DJ Virus. Don't forget, it's on Friday the 29th December at Achimota Mall, 7 p.m. It's the Wave Concert, brought to you by MTN. Everywhere you go. Mr. and Mrs. The man praise the Lord. Hey, Pastor. Hallelujah. The church of the who sit here. Then we have beyond the according to our church. Hey, Pastor. If we say we could farm, me do CB men's capsules. No, me so me no mad dear CB women's capsules. What try you know? Any job be free pa. Praise God, praise God. CB men's capsules. I best send me put me. Any me do some here. Any abandon so now we can't never phone. Any na yes here. I never the future cropping no. CB women's capsules. I believe in so. Now you come see me that day. We were poor young CB men and women capsules. Susie Herbal Center, Ghana, Madam must say, I pay for a batter one more money for them of our taking the income. Our pharmacist chemical herbal source name and to forfeit Susie Herbal Center 0247 1671 after 0246 57 87 50. CB men and women capsules. What are you so
It's Christmas again, and your family radio station, Joy 99.7 FM, is bringing families together at the Christmas edition of the Joy FM Party in the Park. Celebrate Christmas with your family and friends at the Lagos Botanical Gardens on Saturday, 23rd December. No need to keep the kids at home and run off to enjoy yourselves, and no need to send them to grannies when you can all come together for fun bonding activities like musical chairs, dancing competitions, and so many other fun activities. So pack that lovely picnic basket and join us at the Lagos Botanical Gardens on Saturday, 23rd December for a refreshing family day out. The rate is 25 Ghana cedis for a family of 6. Grab your tickets at the front desk of Joy FM. Come, make merry, and bond interactively with other families. I hope to see you there. The Joy FM Family Party in the Park is proudly brought to you by Wilma Africa Limited, manufacturers of Vital Cooking Oil and importers of Fortune Rice and excellent sunflower oil, and sponsored by FlexiPay. Endless possibilities. Big always gives you more. Pepsi, One Ghana cedi per I Learn, making learning fun and convenient. Joy FM Family Party in the Park. My family, my joy.
Asaya baby omo Adum FM any Adum TV and the Adum High Life Dance Fiesta 2017
Shine. Right commercial now.
Remember you nasi let's you buy every performance. Nana a champ. Get a KD.
I mean, 95 and 845.
And I make her say, yeah, they're near 2 blocks.
Sure, I'm not having
no, and yeah, no, no, we don't play that on our show.
Oh, yes, come on. 95.
Really? Hey.
No, say
Since when? I'm
you are
not aware.
promoting the shoes.
No, I don't. So I tell me.
What me?
5 minutes, bro.
Now my great job.
5 minutes and you're 5 minutes we can take off.
Mr. and Mrs.
Hey, I don't so.
My 2 days in one more.
There be a new
Hey, Pastor, I feel so confirmed. Me do CB men's capsules. No, me so me no mad. CB women's capsules. What I am? Any job if you
Praise God, praise God.
CB men's capsules. I guess I'm in Puma. And we do so we are here. And our banners are also kind of. And when I was here, I am the future group. CB men's capsules. I believe you for this. My come see me.
Seven men and women come from Susie Herbal Center, Ghana, Madam must say, a painful, a batter, one more money for the when you take in the new car. Or from a chemical herbal shop. Susie Herbal Center, 0247 11 16 71, 0246 57 87 50. Seven men and women capsules. Nobody so
Excellent. Yeah.
You better for a young Comosonia when Hanmo I the papa, Yasha, and my libido, and my I think on the entire to the beer, and Pratchim Wayana are very high, and so we do our remono. That is some baby, a psychological problems. Send you my face the Kunumoye, sick any fear before, and I said, and I said, yeah, and nothing and lay what doctor ever fear Hanum. Dr. Watson or no that endpoint homeopathic clinical. Watson and Kamagana Heidi, see, I say, the car baby, I can say, obey me over the year, and I bet me see or bow him fear year, dear. They say, baby, I'll be quiet about Doctor Edu Watson. One of me, and baby, a friend, Labia, Doctor Ferdinand. Majora. Who said, yes, a doctor, dear, when you reach Yapra, was she ambient. See, the dog, we are one dear. One who bet me, I come now, is the enemy besides the doctor, and also, what's me, and I saw my memory the energy. And one of my family books in your house, and he told a beer, a bear 3 days. All night, never done. Labia, Majora, no much draw, no much draw, said you buy any. There's always a program, and I'm for you very excited. No, Rebbe was here, a friend of Francis Tenzin was saying. Mine lasts for 30 minutes. Is it okay? And I will be sending them no say, and I hear dear. Maybe dear 3 minutes now, because I would dear 30 minutes, not just a million sorry, Yanni, and I said, and I hear dear. What's the Francis? We are to know, Francis. And you'll be messaging a media amount. Okay, AK Sam was saying, my God, oh, just a no who's in fact, will she had you be watching live from Belgium. I'm enjoying it. Air Joyce Hagen. And also the way about Kojo Otu was a nice program. I'm watching you live from USA. Sweetheart, yes, that's a papa. Esther Cecil Dazi was it, please. I want doctor's number. But we are doctor with the number. I bet you but stay tuned. Now was Ebeka. Ajeman Boateng Bimpong was say, hello, doctor. It is very nice and educative program. The doctor and how born is somebody and as a mere mammy, one is a mere doctor. Okay, young Corina, a combaco. Patricia Yafi was saying, how are you guys? Sweetheart, yes, so you're pa. Hey, mommy, good. You are too much. A jacko and also the way abba. Obi said, Philip, nice program from Dobro. Obi said, Mammy. Me hokra abba. Esawara. Keep your Nafi, young Gwen say, I'm watching you live. I love your program so much. I'm watching you from Spain. See that yes, yeah, that's papa messages is near. A dose a breba a bekan. Veronica Kwashi was saying, Doctor, thank you so much. You have my question. I hope I can send this to my husband at work. Sweetheart, yes, any question I will can about the same. Whatever the odd best and the Doctor, we are the number better one of John Sabecano. Now we hear BB so wait me Ebusano direct 93 Aquarium. Aha, Yama studio near here, Doctor. And then someone who say in fact will be a baby na enjoy Kasa somewhere across on a sweat. Now the name Busana time factor is it necessary. So we because 3 minutes. We said it 30 minutes. We said it 3 minutes. Doesn't matter.
Mama said you can say
me cool, dear, by 3 minutes. I said answer me. Me fan say no man.
Say ultimate dinner. Me fan say 15 and 20 minutes. Na say
Dr. Bacho, hold on, mommy announce me phone lines and so near. Me Bacho number is 0302 216 561 and 0302 216 562. Me Bacho bet me a friend now so they were drinking at the Abba now for you to me up your name. Come on. Don't that was.
yes, say one go through stages na. One fa obano se bi any agron sa no mano amma se bi when go through stages ni na no a. What time no say obetimi akobe 10 minutes and 15 minutes and 20 minutes oba na because we nya orgasm.
But obaby o ha wo pese e bre na wako shimu no. Wako we mo pese at least with me be 10 minutes.
Yes, and no
one word in ya etre.
Yeah, and no na ma sebi se want me and go through that stage no. So want me go through some preparation stage and plateau stage no. In fact, want me e na se wa na wa ho den susu enni soro a. E pe be na want me satisfy oba.
Mommy call me phone line so me call for Mommy Betty. Mommy Betty the Eddie free Abudan Swedro. Hello mommy. Yeah, but you know what to say. Good evening, Obapa. I don't want to announce it. I think come to you. Yeah, but you also come on. You, yeah, but you, yeah, that's Papa. Aha. About your boss will be man. I'm also the free dodo. Hello, Amma. Yes, and then your man, I didn't come square. Hello. Aha. Yeah, then you may ask that. Sa, and Pacho, and your man, a coy dear, would to me, who come by, I want to turn on. Also, on your day. When your name no sound, no soon see it.
No, I
no. You are about Panyamisha, why? Aha. One of some trans no soon seeing some pana here trabuno. Now, Femuaba. Obi was to be a one. Hello. Hello. Papa. Papa, now what they saying? And then I'm asking Papa part of what you said, brand new.
I can't say no bomb box, no border task about so. But that time, so now can I much in loss? I'm offering them too much. Other people are there. No more about so pop. And I'm going to see idea.
Papa. Well, doctor, and some now can so castle can which you will bear Diana. Would you obey rather my bear one now another social? If it's a doctor, you catch the lab, you know who's a dear, and you go see a dear new.
There is no.
You said that. Yeah, first say one if we watch. Hello, say one. Good evening, Pacho.
Many 4 months. Then if you say many only me you. I just said, if you do my best, and you said, if you have me for swan up in my match, that was me catch him when that market is now.
Savannah, who ran is sick as something to say. It's a shadow hiding home. And the Musa doctor another time has said, Biana Bibia, doctor. Beman, you mad and baby because I break runner is here and Papa you or Mahu and Pam Memanos are no more.
Obano, make us a dear Obano so and check it because usually no say Obano more, Yana Homonsono, and Nam Homontino, you have sent the Sutiti, so be our tint soon. I
said, baby, I'll be here, watch it and
yet. Say, I say, don't love making no, I say, Moki, see. Akono on bema de akono ne de yes anomano and no say don oba na nyemo ne honkon ma bi wa ni ham pokura no bi ase de won paso se de wasi aye won paso ne honkon ba ni nyina no etima o se mema de ehunu o se enoma mema enya erection maame ejanoma be emiensa so first of all no you be wa ye be kan say natural erection natural erection say obema wasori anopa na se bi wonwene oba ho kra
e fe de ejina so
na ogugina so eno no ye natural eno nti no se be ma wobetima wotena se be 1 week na se bi oho empejai anajo se bi a wasori ahomachen kwakodo nso no bo se be ma nemu apejai akra no I say it should be a cause of worry to you.
Really?
Yes, it's very important. Any obi bi so a de ma be ma so betmanya erection no ejina ade a unhunu de wani de ehunu no
ata efo waso ma me fa no why efo and na de mate wani ase oh efo yeah efo na de fa to me amete wo bia nkate o line na kasa na akate me fa to pata me wati we de me stra pa sa fra me bi mu ai we de mpachi
yes ade ba ko yes de ba ko so beti mama be ma entimanya erection no so no ejina se be ma no ade a wodi wani ehunu enti be ma de ani hunu no ema be ma etime de enya erection asana de betimi sama be ma se so enya erection enti enoma ade e fa be ma
that number just so body my fa praise hello praise good evening praise
Parce me c'était une français mais avec ça c'était une colonne
no and the any nyina aka wona doctor chere no wa ware de and the otipin how about tipin who ware ye na peso pain na mra na weda sex ko ware wi ya afa onya pin wa ba hospital anyway doctor to us
yo enti no ye nipa no de be ma ehunu so hu enti na oba all the time na oba de o say we looky catchy o say we are attractive de be ma ehunu eti ma be ma atenka eti ma be ma nya erection and another ba ade ba ko be ma say nya erection here stimulation se bia wo de be ma no esusu ni mu
na me ma so say agro mo
yes obi o ko no na wadwin ni so
okay me ma ho agro na e hin na wo ye be me as I said being a doctor no be ma hin ye so a aya ofele
about make it back say about 70% no bibiri no a wo genital organ
I told my cat time said I can't genital organ they said wo you wouldn't ma dia ye kan dia asem na wo kan genital organ no ye ho ya
penis no
ne be ma eti ya nya den oba ma ya fa nya den
said ye how we are be dia agro said ye enye say wo di agro say wo twe ne said ye wo twetai so ho
and you ba
say wo di say bia on the bia wo di wo ye the tender it should be very tender
and I didn't be
and no and na me fan say me je ka genital no a say bi the testis no nyina kwa
area wo nyina
the
show no abajo ni show no yen men and so yen that's why you be say oba so so pe no wo za jumbo ne ban
and me tell say you should some of these things no o say bi ehwa na very o say a scrotum no and as testicles no wo no say wo som no an som egia it me the pain it me the back ababetimi e go make me be ma na kora so hu na mo no ejina se do be si ayi dai asomu so
and I'm so doctor kire yen
ni so
it won so mu saying
ni so
na
so do won
sa so yan so be ma nim sa ha so do sa na ho
so wo de won sa nam
en san ho a
won san bia wo de nam na se bia wo katara ma na se bia se awale fo de samo ya awale fo
da bi doctor kire mu ya so suradi be bu sa question fat ho ma yen e ti awafo no mo nya de
yeah so
and first me push you no aka nsem doctor say yen den yesu som ye de twe boko
on
fa de tekama fa
enti on ni eno no sa no etimi
tekama no fa hin e chenesi so na na say e cheno
e ho ni sa chen bibia no yes very sensitive in fact about wo hwemema about 70 to 80% almost failing that area yes you can get it yes your bema bi o wa say bi obetimi aso no for obetimi nya da feeling obu ha ukisi na obetimi nya feeling but mema anaso obu ka wo na sum ana say be na say ana, but you can get about 70 to, but more all of us. I'm just saying we should know your partner very well. So when your partner very well, yeah, the response was ever.
Stuff, Mr. Suffer, Doctor, I am fine, and necro, the why I suffer.
Yeah.
Hey, Doctor, I want to let you know who's the one she and here. Doctor, two again. Apart from what you because when you offer get there, and they are there now again, is here. If I get there, so to feel man, because I dear laugh me apart, it's young one, they have to get to her. Doctor, you're not to say a man, a month in our buy. That's right. It's a mouth for plane, so then a man. At the end of Memania, will be near the required way, a bema or baby, every person you come back and say. Yes,
yeah, the only person say, or said the easy canoe, your baby as on a sebi, the failings or so, or power bitumen and a failing, a one in breast. Breast no, sebi, and yes, say, and also see a tender to say, test the city and one, and you won't mean canoe, time, and almost so much me the one, sir, with Maffy, a very good. In fact, breast cancer crown is animal. Sa mfanse se kakora efie ananse se wawale ya enu ni nyina no ebo ho ban
because ya unya nufo na kutanse kokona asa edi sugar egu musu yan kan fra na ite se dia wo mix bisa
se dia ka kokono wansom ya ebe paye no
hey obi se manchela no and this week
Entino, yeah, entino the home person say, yeah, another get one son said, yeah, one so because son once in a year, and it pains and a baby. And once a pain, the baby no failing no vanishes.
Dr. Ayesha, is it healthy? Advisable say, Ben might be dinner, ever call Nigeria now, Bass. Because you see, I know I say, you see, and I will because I crazy about you. I say, Ubia, go for me, Bill, share, I deal with the 1 year, need them, wonder, and Mamma Munya feeling woman, and maybe what, Mamma woman, a idea where advice say, everybody should do it.
Say, Mawale, say, yeah, answer, say, infection or complications room, which may be a truth cancer. Okay. Obasana or feno infection or a cold truth, which mania. But say, me fan say, why would you infection in the hole, BPA in the hole? Because infection, what do Bema a coho? Now be your infection, or Caterma, or the quark, be your infection. But said if you can't from beginning, no section as it should be enjoyed. Okay. Ain't no say, Obama, one and I said, one and I think, a wa. Okay. Would they won't sa, Sibi won't son of Crane, or say, only a him feet. It is a one sack a cake. What would sa, what would sa? Yes, what would sa? And I say, what got you?
Everybody be how caught a closer than not the baby I caught one. Be dead, or Pega, no, what they pass it, Buffet, and not the what is the torrents, Bembry? Because the torrents.
And you look and you look here, oh, yes, now I'll infection. And I'm saying, anything I can open your crown on KBR, my wash it down with you know, any Bianca. It is a one or banana thing. What do one and one son, what they call crown. So, a year, and yes, I would do son, just say, gigi said, you know, or fit him and more, and no. So, a boko and a sensitive area, no, it be a clitoris, no. Say, be our own son.
That about your host, you and I am Crophone. Obisa and Nani Kuya, we are not people, baby, and any people. I just tell you, no, they are fresh. No, no, good to finish. I won't know you no one. Bema Unsuana. Sabia, my mentality said orgasm. Obano, Bema no fear Bana said. So, oh, say infection be anyone as a year. Be there, we are straightforward. So, oh, which man. It is by one more thing. It's your neighbor, but one more no one. I say, one coffee because, oh, mammy, say infection. One can say one non crown, obviously, because it is a 1 year now. It is a water Freddie. I would have Freddie. A big be very and what it is. Mammy, oh, yes, Anna Manoa. Say, a Nipano, Emma, a Nipanocraft, say, who say, oh, we yes, I don't know. Say, yes, a cherewodo. Okay. A cherewodo because, say, why would be our honka for our open as a monon corner? Maybe I knew young. Yes, sometimes I know my last one. That's right. Mamma, sir. A man no more per se a 50 Marcia now. When did you home? Okay, when did you? The kind of when did you have here and waffle?
Mami ne o me say na me pese me cup me for ne de ne kakra se ema bebre nyima ye jeja ye hu dodo obi wo cross me mpe we roll on obi si me mpe we but unyima that time no me wani so be keep you because when ti me keep you ho a uni pedua na sesa
ohunya kono unyima
that time na sesa wo your ba keep you ho
baba ma a bit wo ho no ma nyi se ni bi pregnancy bia ne enioma e ba wo on ma obi won kra on ti bi kra dware on pesa na ye hwam on pe bibia ti roll on ya wo kan on pesa de bibi kra
ma me ne o mu ne se nyi se ne beto me bibia free adwene me ni kunu nete me be wo nipa ese se me hoye me kunu akono ese se me kunu humia na neji na se me ye ni biara e bi obefri adwuma beba ne ma bebre enye be ma ma kono ofio e na asema obi sa me ba me question so e ma bebre nya yanka ni kunu ebe lekin ti se ne wo ke but obi wo ho a ti se ne me sha ase kan ye obi wo kro ho na kan ni je wo enso onya ko kan onya kan ya me ware so ye Kristo ni ba se be bia wasem da no
jonka
wonka
da bi ti de go to de mi busa se ya munyina mu kunu mu tie me wa mo fefe ana
oh me pen kwa de se wo ye
da bi wo wani je ho
me si ye ka radio se no ye na wani beji what say hours here amoken me I don't believe in long hours but who arrive na won say ye mienu ne nya ye ho anigi a eno na metimi ka say me ho asepe me kunu so timi ka say ne ho asepe na obi wo fo say more hours no ma me minutes na 30 minutes no obi wo kra obe wie no wo yire no on finish just say wo ye adwuma kwa na say odo wo mu na say ni je ni doso na wo ye nmisome ni ji wo so ani ji a e de na be ye de so onu kunu hia ne ho ba wo so ho ba
esa bom pepe
abom na no wo so ne
o si abom pepe me ba doctor ho no so the last words abayen ayi ye nua bi e me fa o se mami I'm really enjoying your show nice topic and I said that say Kwame Lee Fems or say watching you live from Japan I'm really enjoying your show mami well done please let the doctor come again next week question bena yedeba okay all the same your person just say come mema na de no e mema orgasm niti no see e mema mai ye ne ka next week de microphone ko yi nyame adom na say next week say bro nya ne famity nyina de a e bia mbo hu me wa na fe hu de e be yem obi said this program is very educative God bless you all Kate from UK not the way by Bernard Mensa or say so lovely yes you that nanesi akum ekuma or say Mame, I'm watching you live from Israel. But Israel, and I hope say Ghana, Israel. Israel. Ghana, Israel, the friend Israel. Israel. So we Israel, Kasa. Obi a nice one. I'm enjoying it. Watching straight from, I think say Italy. Italy. And then Crawford also. Obi watching live from Sweden. Aya Kwabna Asamoah and on Sweden there. Abba Francis is also from Italy. And then Nipandos, Italy for so Techi Steven was watching you live from Italy. I love your program. Doctor, you are too much. Keep it up. I don't cry the WhatsApp on some Eddie amount. I love the program very well. Oba ya sapomano no so the way aba. We say, Mame, what about the stubborn ladies who even 1,000 hours will not satisfy them? Where you quite people on the free UK there aba. Was a man be a stubborn.
Yeah.
1,000 hours in no that's what so papa we say then now they always say twice so na fe adani owo line enti economy yen doctor but you can afford
yeah obi wo ho na medical problem bi o se bi sika ye no ana se obi wo mpokra no a na the life mu no ya repu ne da so ho enti ono no sa no ohun sex no or psychological problem enti ono no sa no ahwe a wo ko ne ntempo a otimi kama de wan yo de bebo ono ani kunu kra de wan yo bebo o de ade bebo enti sa de no gise wo psyche sa oba no wo psyche na dwene
o here counseling
eno no ya de wo enye sa de a ke natural sense no sex should be enjoyed but the member also member so tia se apart from say foreplay no nko ne ba ne ye no baby a obema no obe position bema no mama very important
baby adu bema
no be se no very important so when you say just say baby akeke said ye on said ye wo fufu a on say opese banche no efe na won said ye wo na bia wachim ne kakra na why on because oba asena san it is a tank it is a ketarama yo baby wa tasty ubetimi dia ade de nti oba enipa wo tasty ade a yo baby wa tasty ade
baby kura jiri ni won
baby wo ade enwono baby wo on enti ni nyina enti sama ase ne so de etie eti no enipa na one ni make love na ansa no also wo hwe reaction baby wo a wo de sha enti no chese eye total examination
data onim ya be sheda am wa ba no wa be kire mema no de be take the whole day da no de onko a na wo be ba nenne no onim krofo bebre pe wo timpa cho fa wo number ene wo locations fa to on mom na
yo me that end point to me part clinic e on Krabata and 9 your main branch in Spintes Shell signboard I want to me no and you will be o Temakom 22 you will be sure Kumase Kronom Abohia and you will be o Takrade Anaji Queen of Peace police station echi my personal line is 0244 86
0244
86 70 68
Pajo Sisubi
0244 86 70 68 that's right
Pajo wow personal line Filipa no frère obetimi so was apia na
in fact because of the course I mean into the no me o different line idea was about me answer them here what's happening this be a text message or what frame direct that's right
e Pajo said the doctor didn't number to no here na no afre on one kasa direct wo born locations ni nyina na me adom so na se brebe mo next week e betimi de number no akire me ma no so de no ba ma me ko me sister so na won no so won kan mama Pajo ma won number wa na wo mi ti ni ade nyina yi Mr. fa won number ni ade tu jama me
mama me das
all right
me chia me customers nyina the Pajo me number ni 0244
bro nya ne be di ti Pajo wo show ma
me number ni 0244 52 41 51 me number ni 0244 52 41 51 me wish me workers ni nyina Merry Christmas and Happy New Year ye babe room me sinya me nhyiram me wish me kunu subra kofi me wish you
power
29th
power
me dana si bebre so
how December born
29th December
and obi ensifio
me dana se so ma me hokwa ma me ti me
na uti sepe wo ho so yanko ya nima me na for sabre ye mo obi happy hey Merry Christmas Dr. Pajo na we wish you obi
yes me wish you be say Adom multimedia just say wish you be me wish me staff na me doctors na me nurses na Mrs. Boatin on me wish no me wish me nana motiwa yes I mean me wish you be and I be a patient be patient ni will be oba and
labia for ni But boy, me so me Merry Christmas. In advance, and no mo di I hear next week no na ya ma metna. Because bro nya na no ye dey na fa di padwen ya wa hwe ha betna no. E be ye din pa. Eti me pa cho me ma wa fihia pa. Nya me wo hira bro nya wo nya me mo bi efie nye de. Wo ma wo ku fie wo bi ensiesie ni fie fine. Wo ba address kama siesie wo ho. Wo ni so wo problem pa cho bo mo dey answer be ko doctor ho. Na watimi ahwe wo na bro nya yetimi ayede fi uku anu obi ho no ma fi no fi ku anu this 31st Pajo fi uku anu free sabre ya akopem e mema no so a e bi obu ha wo hye anansa wonum nioma bi anu ti oba ne timi fa na no ma no Pajo siesie wanum kama na this time hwe na wo se wo nya akọ ne yi ni nyina ma na ma fie nya de so ati ase wa mu shave na afa ye hu ade no bi wa ade ne etam kiti enwi age ho nyina afa but to save ni nyina ni hu area oba so ma ye hu labia na me wan sira na Mr. T show yi ba cho nche dan che bia mami efu a mami esi wono ane mi producer wo ya ade ankasa nyame won sira no papa mami esi nyame won sira wate won sira pa sa so na Miami sweetheart Adi the baba titi na waja me won so still en shada ha me sa me manage ni sa nyame wo hira won so titi ba bia wo bia omo beboa me wo show isu nyina nyame nhira mo me sweetheart oso nyame wo hira wate shine and obi wo say shine ti was say that boy and sim say nyama wa macho no de ti wachi no ana me hwe na de na say kai ka wu when say na tra me ebu achi macho you crazy before there you don't macho calm down na fe yen ko yen enti nyame wo hira obi bia wo boa me so for mama nyame hira wo mama Sarah nyame hira wo aye Mary Ajololo nyame hira wo Tina nyame hira wo aye former minister aye Nana Ajwa Apo nyame wo hira papa gift nyame hira wo obi a waba me show yesu da love nyame hira wo obi a free yenu mu nyina nyame wo hira mu nyina Tina nyame wo hira mo papa beni aso mo nyame adoma next week se mo ehun ye dia and na 2018 Bahamas ibishia nyame wo hira mo papa